Have you ever felt like age might be changing your intimate life in ways you didn't expect? Today, we're going to talk about something that could help many people, especially those over 50, reclaim their confidence and enjoyment in their relationships. This video dives into tadalafil, a medically approved tool designed to enhance physical response and offer more spontaneity, not by increasing desire, but by helping your body respond naturally. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this medication works, what to expect, and essential precautions to keep in mind. Watch until the end to learn how tadalafil could be a life-changing option, allowing you to live your intimate life fully, safely, and with renewed confidence. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and activate the notification bell to avoid missing any videos. Your support means a lot to me, and if you enjoyed this video, you can help me continue spreading the valuable lessons by liking and sharing it. Tadalafil is more than just a medication. For many men, it's a second chance at reclaiming a vital part of their lives that has felt elusive or even lost. In those moments when maintaining a firm erection becomes difficult, tadalafil provides a dependable option that brings back a sense of control and stability. The reality is that issues with physical intimacy can be deeply frustrating and emotionally challenging, impacting not only self-confidence, but also the way men relate to their partners. Tadalafil, however, offers an invaluable solution, a tool designed to support, not stimulate sexual desire. It doesn't create or amplify the urge, but instead works naturally with the body's physical response. When the emotional and mental connection is already there, tadalafil steps in to help the body fulfill that connection by allowing blood vessels to relax, making it easier for blood to reach the areas of the body that need it most during those intimate, cherished times. One of the most extraordinary qualities of tadalafil, something that truly sets it apart from other options, is its long-lasting effect, up to 36 hours. This feature has affectionately earned it the nickname, the weekend pill, and for good reason. Imagine the freedom of not having to think about timing or planning, of being able to be fully present in the moment without worrying about the right time to take a pill. Tadalafil grants men the priceless gift of spontaneity, making intimate moments more about connection than about preparation. For many, this brings a renewed sense of normalcy, as intimacy becomes less scheduled and more organic, flowing naturally without the looming clock that might otherwise interrupt it. Tadalafil can be taken in two main ways, each designed to accommodate different lifestyles and preferences. There's the option of a low daily dose, a gentle and steady choice that keeps a man ready at any time, with no planning required. This approach is particularly appealing for those who prefer to feel consistently prepared, without needing to consider timing or anticipation. Alternatively, there's the as-needed, higher-dose option, which allows men to take the medication specifically before an expected intimate moment. Both methods offer flexibility and control, letting men decide which approach best fits their lives and the unique dynamics of their relationships. Yet the physical benefits of tadalafil are only part of its impact. For men who have struggled with physical intimacy issues, the return of this capability often feels like a weight lifted, a return to a more confident, assured version of themselves. This renewed self-assurance often extends beyond the bedroom, boosting self-esteem and creating a ripple effect in other areas of life. It's a transformation that reaches deeply into the heart of emotional well-being, restoring the ability to enjoy intimate, satisfying connections with a partner not only enhances physical health, but also nourishes mental and emotional health. For many men, this journey is about far more than physical satisfaction. It's about reclaiming a lost part of their identity and rebuilding the emotional closeness with their partner that may have felt diminished over time. Intimate relationships are about more than physical connection. They're about trust, vulnerability, and feeling truly seen by a partner. For many men, the experience of using tadalafil is like rekindling that spark, re-establishing a bond that may have become strained. When physical limitations are overcome, a man often feels a renewed sense of pride, a confidence that shines in how he interacts with his partner. He becomes more open, more engaged, and more emotionally connected. Partners, in turn, feel this change and respond to it, leading to a relationship that is not only stronger, but also more fulfilling and balanced. The emotional security that tadalafil helps build often brings couples closer, making the relationship a source of joy and support rather than a place of worry or uncertainty. For men who use tadalafil, there's often a powerful emotional shift, one that enhances both self-perception and relational quality. Many report feeling more connected with their partners, more confident in their abilities, and more at ease in their bodies. It's a journey of personal growth and self-acceptance, a step toward reconnecting with the parts of themselves that bring joy, satisfaction, and peace. Tadalafil is not just a medication. For many, it is a bridge back to intimacy, trust, and the feeling of being fully alive in one's relationship. So while tadalafil may be labeled as a treatment for physical intimacy, it's so much more, a pathway to rediscovering emotional closeness, rebuilding confidence, and enriching life with the freedom to connect deeply with a partner. Through the subtle but profound support it provides, tadalafil allows men to once again experience a richer, fuller quality of life, one marked by spontaneity, joy, and the deep satisfaction of shared connection. While tadalafil is generally well tolerated by most, like any medication, it has potential side effects that users should be aware of. Some people may experience mild, temporary effects, such as headaches, stomach discomfort, nasal congestion, or muscle pain. These symptoms usually resolve on their own and are not serious, but it's essential to stay attuned to how your body responds. Understanding these possibilities can help alleviate worry if mild discomfort does occur, as it's usually short-lived and manageable. However, it's also critical to be informed of the rare but serious side effects that can arise. Though exceedingly uncommon, tadalafil has been associated with sudden vision or hearing loss in rare cases. Should you experience any signs of these symptoms, it's imperative to stop using the medication immediately and consult a healthcare provider. Taking action quickly in these cases is vital for ensuring that any unusual responses are addressed by a professional. Additionally, there's a significant warning for those taking heart medications, especially those containing nitrates. Combining tadalafil with nitrate-based medications can cause a sharp and dangerous drop in blood pressure, which can lead to serious health risks. This makes it essential to disclose all medications you're taking to your doctor before starting tadalafil, especially if you have a history of heart-related conditions. Approaching tadalafil with awareness and caution enables its benefits to be enjoyed safely. Listening to your body, being informed, and seeking medical guidance as needed are all part of ensuring that tadalafil supports not only your physical needs, but your overall well-being as well. When it comes to taking tadalafil, safety is of utmost importance, particularly for those with severe heart conditions or anyone who has recently experienced a heart attack or stroke. For these individuals, tadalafil may present unnecessary risks due to the potential stress on the cardiovascular system. The physical exertion involved in intimacy, combined with the blood flow changes caused by tadalafil, can strain an already weakened heart. Those with existing cardiovascular concerns should view tadalafil with caution and prioritize their health by consulting their doctor before considering it. In such cases, the guidance of a healthcare provider is invaluable in determining whether this medication is suitable or if alternative solutions may be safer and more effective. For anyone contemplating the use of tadalafil, it's wise to begin with the lowest possible dose. Starting small offers a gentle introduction, allowing you to assess how your body responds to the medication with minimal risk of side effects. Gradual adjustments, made only under professional guidance, can then help you find the right balance that fits your individual needs. This is not a medication where trial and error on your own should come into play. Increasing doses independently can be harmful, and it's essential to treat it as a carefully managed tool, guided by medical expertise. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Taking tadalafil should be seen as part of a comprehensive approach to sexual well-being, rather than a standalone fix. Physical intimacy is about so much more than just the mechanics. It involves emotional connection, open communication, and mutual understanding with one's partner. Conversations about health, comfort, and emotional readiness are integral to creating a fulfilling and safe intimate life. This medication can be an effective aid, but it works best when integrated into a balanced life that supports not just the physical aspects of intimacy, but also emotional closeness and trust. Tadalafil isn't suitable for everyone, and that's important to acknowledge. Aside from individuals with severe heart conditions, those who have recently had a heart attack or stroke, or people with very high or low blood pressure, certain other health conditions should also be carefully considered. For instance, anyone with severe liver or kidney problems should approach tadalafil with caution, as these organs play a vital role in processing medication. Liver and kidney impairments can affect how the body metabolizes tadalafil, potentially intensifying its effects or prolonging its presence in the system. Consulting a doctor is essential for individuals with these health challenges, as they may need specific instructions, adjustments, or even alternative treatments tailored to their needs. A careful, comprehensive approach to using tadalafil also means maintaining a broader awareness of one's overall health and lifestyle. This medication should be a part of a larger journey toward well-being, rather than a quick fix. Cultivating a lifestyle that supports both physical and emotional health, whether through exercise, proper nutrition, or stress management, can amplify tadalafil's positive impact, creating a foundation for a healthy and satisfying intimate life. With a balanced lifestyle, tadalafil becomes an ally in enhancing intimacy, rather than a dependency or a standalone solution. Above all, remember that using tadalafil is about much more than achieving a physical result. It's a pathway to rediscovering confidence and connection, embracing the emotional aspects of intimacy, and feeling secure in one's relationship. For many, the decision to use tadalafil is not just about physical performance, but about enhancing life's quality, deepening bonds, and regaining the joy of spontaneous connection with a loved one. Taking this step with awareness, responsibility, and a holistic approach to well-being ensures that tadalafil can serve as a positive part of a fulfilling, healthy life. Tadalafil is available in pharmacies with a prescription, making it crucial to consult a healthcare professional before using it. A doctor's evaluation is essential, as they can assess each individual's unique health situation to determine whether tadalafil is appropriate. This is particularly important given that tadalafil can interact with other medications or health conditions. There are also generic versions of tadalafil that offer a more affordable option for those who may need it long-term. However, even when opting for generics, it's critical to purchase them under a doctor's supervision to ensure safety and efficacy. This approach safeguards against counterfeit or substandard products and helps ensure the treatment is as effective as possible. I'd like to share a real-life example involving one of my patients, Mario, a 60-year-old man who came to my office after feeling like he had lost the spontaneity and enjoyment he once had in his intimate life. Having undergone heart surgery, he found that physical intimacy with his partner was no longer as fulfilling, and it created a sense of distance in their relationship. Mario felt frustrated and disheartened, worried that his health challenges were creating a barrier between him in his partner. This struggle weighed heavily on his self-esteem, making him feel as though a joyful, natural part of his life was slipping away. After a thorough assessment, we decided to try a low daily dose of tadalafil. This daily, consistent approach offered Mario the chance to feel prepared without needing to plan around specific moments. Over several weeks, Mario began to notice a profound change. Not only did he feel physically more capable, but the emotional impact was significant. He regained confidence, and his anxiety around intimacy faded. The weight of planning every interaction was lifted, allowing him to relax and reconnect with his partner naturally. He shared with me that this change helped him enjoy his sexuality more freely, creating a sense of renewed closeness with his wife. What was particularly heartening was that Mario's confidence extended beyond his physical relationship. Feeling more empowered in his intimate life gave him a broader sense of personal well-being. He was happier, more communicative, and felt a greater connection with his partner than he had in years. He was no longer bound by the pressure of having to be ready at exact times, and this freedom allowed him to approach intimacy with spontaneity and pleasure, qualities he once feared he'd lost forever. Mario's experience highlights how tadalafil, when used under professional guidance, can have far-reaching benefits. For many, it's not only about the physical benefits, but also the positive effects on emotional closeness, self-esteem, and overall quality of life. Friends, tadalafil can be a powerful ally in enhancing sexual quality of life. But like all tools, it must be approached responsibly and with care, under a doctor's guidance. It's important to remember that tadalafil isn't a magical solution. It doesn't resolve the deeper emotional or relational issues that might impact intimacy. Instead, it's a support for those specific moments when physical response has become a challenge, offering an opportunity to rekindle confidence and closeness with a partner. When used thoughtfully, tadalafil can help rebuild a sense of ease in relationships, creating the space for intimacy to flourish naturally. It can relieve the stress and pressure that sometimes accompany physical limitations, allowing couples to focus on the joys of connection rather than the anxieties around performance. However, it's essential to keep in mind that true intimacy thrives on open communication, mutual understanding, and emotional support, qualities that no medication can replace. So, while tadalafil can provide meaningful support, the heart of any fulfilling relationship remains rooted in trust, understanding, and shared emotional bonds. As we wrap up, I hope this discussion has shed light on the responsible use of tadalafil and the many ways it can positively impact both physical and emotional aspects of intimacy. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one insight you've gained today that you feel inspired to put into practice? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.